Hello, fam. Wanted to tell everyone that Jesus loves you all and that Jesus Christ is King. This is exactly how I dance in my head. And am I the only who feels I can do better than this? Whereas I can't even lift my legs. Mom looks so young. She looks really good for having 3 sons. She's handling that dance better than them. You go right ahead, Mama. Mama ate this TF up. Queen ain't leave not a crumb on the floor. Love it. She's a mom. She looks like their sister. She's full of energy and trendy. Mama, you're blessed. I'm glad I'm not the only one who dances with her sons and my girls too. It keeps you in shape, feeling great, and looking young.